Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C31. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. And as you can see, from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards. From the menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your activity. Next, we can go to settings, and in settings you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.